after you have finished the setup step 1 to 3. Now you can use the Blender to render the dataset in editing mode or in batch rendering mode. We will first show the editing mode. First, run the following command to start Blender. Open the scene we provided at assetbase.blend. This will give you the scene and default rendering parameters. Click Run Script to apply those parameters. Then choose Render Images. This will lead you the results. Save it. Most cases, you want to visualize more than one pixel of data, more than one image to render. Suppose you store your data samples one by one as pickle file, and you want to render those data samples to PNG image. First, activate the Python environment you create in step 2. Then run the following command. With the first argument, point to the data directory, and the second argument point to the directory you want to save the rendered image. This script will render all the pickle files in the data directory and render them into the destination.